Ever wonder about the significance of vitamin B12 in your health regime? This unassuming nutrient, also known as cobalamin, is a powerhouse of well-being, playing a pivotal role in several vital bodily functions. From the formation of red blood cells to maintaining neurological health and facilitating DNA synthesis, vitamin B12 is a silent yet crucial player in our body's overall health. But what happens when this nutrient is in short supply? A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to a range of health complications. This includes anemia, leaving you feeling constantly tired and drained of energy. It can also trigger neurological issues, impacting your memory and cognitive functions. As we continue our journey towards optimum health, it's essential to understand the role each nutrient plays in our well-being. And vitamin B12? It's a significant piece of that complex puzzle. An understanding of vitamin B12 lays the foundation for recognizing its astonishing benefits. Now that you know the importance of vitamin B12, let's delve into its incredible benefits. First off, vitamin B12 is a dynamo when it comes to energizing vitality. It's a key player in converting food into energy, helping metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The result? A sustained source of vitality throughout your day. So if you're battling constant fatigue, vitamin B12 might just be the ally you need. Next, we have nurturing brain function. Vitamin B12 is like brain food, aiding in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and cognitive performance. With enough B12 in your system, you can enhance mental clarity, boost memory, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Moving on to safeguarding cardiovascular health. Vitamin B12 is like a silent guardian for your heart, reducing homocysteine levels, a precursor to heart disease. By incorporating vitamin B12 into your routine, you're setting up a strong defense for your heart's long-term health. Now let's talk about digestion. Vitamin B12 aids in the production of gastric acid, helping break down and absorb nutrients in the stomach. It's like having a personal assistant for your digestive system, helping to alleviate discomfort and promote overall digestive health. On to fortifying immunity. A robust immune system is your body's first line of defense, and vitamin B12 plays a significant role in the production of white blood cells. By strengthening your immunity with vitamin B12, you're enhancing your body's response to infections and overall well-being. Let's not forget radiant skin and hair. Vitamin B12 promotes healthy cell growth and division, contributing to radiant skin and luscious hair. By making vitamin B12 a key component of your beauty regimen, you're setting the stage for a natural, enviable glow. Lastly, we have mood regulation. Vitamin B12 aids in the production of serotonin and dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitters. By ensuring adequate intake, you could see improvements in emotional well-being and a more positive outlook on life. From elevating energy levels to enhancing brain function and promoting radiant skin, vitamin B12 can profoundly impact your health. Integrating vitamin B12 into your daily routine can bring about a significant transformation in your health. From powering up your vitality, nurturing your brain function, safeguarding your heart, to facilitating digestion and fortifying immunity, the benefits are wide-ranging. It even contributes to radiant skin and hair and regulates mood. Harness the potency of Wellhealthorganic vitamin B12 and witness the transformative impact on your well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth, and vitamin B12 is a key player in maintaining it.